Rumors of a potential BMW X9 began circulating in 2019, with reports suggesting that the German automaker was working on a flagship SUV to rival the likes of the Audi Q7 and Mercedes-Benz GLS. Official announcement, 2020, In November 2020, BMW officially confirmed the existence of the X9, announcing that it would be built at the company's Spartanburg, South Carolina factory in the United States. Spy shots and leaks, 2020 to 2022, Throughout 2020 and 2021, spy shots and leaks emerged of the X9, giving us our first glimpses of the SUV's design. The images showed a large, imposing vehicle with a bold front grille and sleek LED headlights. Official reveal, 2022, The BMW X9 was officially unveiled in June 2022, with the company releasing a slew of images and details about the SUV. The X9 was revealed to feature a range of powerful engine options, including a twin-turbo V8, as well as a luxurious interior with plenty of premium materials. 2023 model year. The BMW X9 went on sale in the United States in the fall of 2022 as a 2023 model. The SUV was available in several trim levels, including the xDrive 40i, xDrive 50i, and M60i. 2024 model year updates. For the 2024 model year, the BMW X9 received several updates, including a new 12.3-inch infotainment screen and a range of fresh exterior colors. 2025 model year. The 2025 BMW X9 is expected to receive several significant updates, including a new plug-in hybrid powertrain option, a revised exterior design with new front and rear bumpers, an updated interior with new trim materials and technologies, a range of advanced safety features, including a new adaptive cruise control system. The 2025 BMW X9 is expected to go on sale in the fall of 2024, with pricing starting around $100,000.